Hi there, my name is Barry North and I'd like to welcome you to the Joomla, a User's Guide live lessons. In this live lesson you're going to learn all about Joomla, an open source content management system, and how to use it to build a successful website. Joomla is one of the most popular open source content management systems you can use to build a great website. It's powerful, relatively easy to use, and can be easily templated and has thousands of free and commercial extensions and widgets available for it. This video series has been created as a companion to the best-selling book published by Prentice and authored by myself, Joomla, a User's Guide. Although you get the most benefit by having these videos as well as the book, you can actually use either by themselves. My day job is for a few companies that provide products and services related to Joomla. I am the co-founder of Joomla Shack, one of the biggest free and commercial Joomla template providers on the web. Over 500,000 websites use one of our designs. I also provide Joomla training and consultancy through Compass Designs, where I also write about Joomla and open source at the blog there, compassdesigns.net. And lastly, in 2008, I launched a new service called Simple Web that provides turnkey, fully managed Joomla websites. Through all of this work, I've been involved in hundreds of Joomla websites and written a lot of Joomla tutorials and guides. My goal in these videos is to distill all of that experience down for you and show you how you can build a successful website with Joomla. You don't need to know anything about Joomla to use these live lessons to create a website. If you have some experience with making websites before, that'll help, but it's not essential, as I'll be explaining these principles to you during some of the lessons. So what's the best way to use these lessons? The first 4 lessons are a newcomer's guide to Joomla. I'll tell you a little background of the project and how to install Joomla and a basic overview of how it's administered. Lessons 4 through 7 are the core of the video series and should be done in order. We'll take a building block approach and start with how to organize your site, then looking at menus and navigation, and working with content, and lastly extending your site with the many extensions that are available for Joomla. Lessons 8 through 13 can be done in any order. They look at some basics of getting traffic to your new Joomla website through search engine optimization and how to create a template. We're also going to look at 4 detailed case studies, where I go step by step through the entire creation of 4 sites: a school site, a small business brochure site, a blog site, and a membership site with paid subscriptions. There are a number of online resources that complement the content in these videos. You can find various free downloads, for example template files or SQL data dumps, both at joomlabook.com and compassdesigns.net. It's also worth subscribing at compassdesigns.net, as the blog is full of new tips and tricks using Joomla and updated several times a week. Lastly, if you want to jumpstart your Joomla website, you can go to simpleweb.com and get a complete turnkey Joomla website in seconds. Simple Web is Joomla hosting on steroids and fully manages your website, and our expert support team can answer any of your questions about Joomla or anything else about your website. Welcome to the Joomla, a User's Guide live lessons, and I hope you enjoy them. Select Lesson 1 to begin.